Yeah, man, yeah. Yeah, man, them jokers see what's going on, man. We in the box, man. You see, yeah. Swing headliner, man.
Hit a button, Morty. Give me a beat. Oh, man. Okay. All right. Got trap jumping like frog leg. 2, 2, 3, leaving ball head. Yeah, spray the whole block, leave it all red. Duck off spot, can't go fed.
Yeah, show the fuck how it going. Show them how it going. Come on, man. And I ain't gonna lie. My man playing with the interior, though. He did a good job, though. But, man, see, one thing I know is, one thing I know, man, life hits everybody. You know what I'm saying? Stuff happens. You know what I'm saying? But I don't be like excuses, though. Like, I go through a lot, bro. I don't be getting folks excuses, man. You know what I'm saying? I just want to suck it up and handle whatever I got to handle. I want to hear all them excuses, bro. Handle your business, bro. Like, straight up. Handle your business. I want to hear all them excuses, man. Like, you got people waiting on you. You know what I'm saying? You got to do this and that. You talking about a lot of, man. Come on, man. Once you give me a deadline, stay to your deadline. You feel me? Once you get your deadline, stay your deadline. Cause the front seats, he didn't even put my Mad Mark in my head, Rich. You feel me? I ain't tripped about that. I was like, man, just give me my seats, bro. So he did a damn good job, though. Not lie. All the lines straight. You feel me? All the lines straight. He did a damn good job, boy. My boy Black done made that, man. That, man. For real. I wonder what's going on. But ain't always easy. Okay, that's why they got right there. But yeah, man, I did a good job now. I ain't gonna lie. So it do look good. Like I said, I put the car. I ain't clean the inside now. It did good though. Can't lie. Yeah, man. Old boss, boy. 79, man. I'm telling you, I'm coming hard at 79 in Georgia. Not about to play with them now. Everything in play now. I tell you. You know I got the chrome. Man, come on. Y'all already know I got all that, man. I'm telling you folks, man. Not playing with them at all now. All the way through. I'm being all the way through. You eat off the. Come on, man. Yeah, man, yeah. Yeah, man, them jokers see what's going on, man. We in the box, man. You see, yeah. Swing headliner, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. You know, y'all know what's going on. Check my boy Steve. Put some LED lights in my orange, man. I ain't gonna say lights, had the LED thing in my orange, had it glowing up, man. You know what I'm saying? Feels so good just sitting in the car, man. Man, thing came so far. I know I gotta do my seatbelts. Steering wheel. You know what I'm saying? 7-man design. Pedals and everything. Now, come on, man. Why that thing looking crazy, man? It ain't even still clean to be cleaned up. You be prepped, you know what I'm saying? Be cleaned up. I put that button down at the bottom, too. Gotta put that button down at the bottom, man. But y'all see that little brown inside the right there, inside of there, inside my arm, the little brown right there. It'll be great. Sweet great. Man, that thing crazy how much money I put in the car, how far it came, bro. My windshield cracked up. Look, 2020 up there. You know what I'm saying? Man, that's just crazy, bro. Like, even all this, like the little stuff, like this stuff right here, man. You know, all this stuff was brittle, man. You know, all this stuff was brittle. I had to get this off another box shit, man. Like, bro, Bro, that car came so far around, bro. Y'all don't understand, bro. Y'all don't understand, but that thing came so far. Just sitting on these, man, come on, man. You got the, come on, man. LED. Hey, man. It ain't about doing the paint I did. Like the paint, man. Oh, my God. Good gracious. Hey, bro, I ain't even gonna just act like this wasn't nothing. Why this stuff be high as hell, bro? And man, you gotta deal with the right shops. You know what I'm saying? I fuck with my man Black. You know what I'm saying? You gotta deal with the right shops, bro. You don't want to half step because you half step. It's not gonna be done, man. Bro, it's crazy, bro. You half step, they gonna be done right. Like, bro, it's crazy. Like even man, the seat's crazy. Like, bro, y'all know it was brown, bro. It feel gray stitching, man. And for y'all, you know, I didn't go with no new designs. This the all original design. You know what I'm saying? I just wrapped the seat in my own fabric. You know what I'm saying? And, you know what I'm saying? The stitching and everything. There's new stitching, but it's the same design as the original interior had. I gotta put that button. I gotta put another button down at the bottom. You see the buttons at the bottom? I'm gonna put that button down there. And y'all know that right here. The chrome piece for in the back. Man, that junk crazy, man. Like, so it need to be cleaned up. You see a little spot right there. It ain't even prepped yet, y'all. I'm seeing the other seat ain't even in here yet. I'm just in here showing y'all what's going on. You feel me? Y'all already know I'm going billet steering wheel, digital dash. Man, come on, man. Come on, man. Billet. Number locks, billet. Come on, man. I was gonna cover the brown up with some suede gray, but I'm gonna leave a little grain. I ain't going probably. Man, this thing crazy, man. Big porthole. I got that beat and I got that wham back there, man. You step outside the car, dog. Y'all know I got stupid radio. Come on, man. Step outside that thing, man. Man, don't stop playing with your boy, man. I know them Chevy both times, them rally gonna be orange. You know, we have 2 batteries, you know. 350, not a 305. This is a 350. You did. Come on, man. Everything been cleaned up, man. A little dirty right now, but you know what I'm saying? Come on. Gotta let Quack do my bit. Gotta let Quack do my grill. You feel me? Come on, man. Yeah, stop playing with me, bro. Hey, man. I don't know what to say, but that thing came around so nice. Y'all know that from that what's called it ain't nothing. That thing came around so nice. Look, gracious, bro. I ain't even gonna lie to you, bud. That orange girl like that, bro. Hey, man. Let me put the other seat in there. You're crazy, my boy. 7 man design pieces on the way. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to see what I want to get. 7 minutes up, he right there have my name in it or what? I don't know. But yeah. Oh man. I ain't gonna lie, but I'm loving this. I'm loving this. Ooh, what look at that, boy. Hey man, Black Boy just moved this thing. This motherfucker right here sounds so vicious. Man, that thing sound crazy, boy. That thing like he wanted to go, you know what I'm saying? He ain't even getting the gas. thing crazy, boy. This my first time hearing it crump. That thing sound crazy. I heard it crump before he did all the work to it, but now, man, that thing sounded crazy as hell, boy. Good God. Man, that thing running so hard. Man, I must throw a clip in there and show y'all, boy. That thing, I gotta show y'all, boy. I'm gonna throw a clip in there. Man, right here. Boy, that was running, boy. Ooh. Ooh! You know, so much shit going by there. That thing running, boy. Woo-hoo-hoo! Ooh, yeah, like, the engine been stroked out there. Don't think it ain't, man. But that thing crazy, boy. He said it running hard, but yeah, shh. But that thing like it wanted to go standing still. I'm talking about low, but that thing was shaking, boy. Shaking. You know, black replacement, bro. You know that red Impala, bro, had black replacement with them, cause I don't trip. You feel me? Replacement with them. I know how they get done. That door ain't gonna be white no more. That fender gonna be fixed, everything. You know what I'm saying? And painted. You feel me? Yeah. Told bro, man, home gonna take care of you. So whatever my dude, my man. Hey man, I ain't gonna lie, bro. But that boxer put a smile on my face for the day. He made my day, bro. You know what I'm saying? But I know how life goes, man. It can be something else happening just, you know what I'm saying? But that boxer made my day, bro. I ain't gonna lie, my first classic old school bill. I like how it's coming around with how it came around. And you know, I'm gonna still do some more stuff to the car as I go along, you know what I'm saying? Like, I want Steve to do my armrest so I can have some LED lights on my armrest. You know what I'm saying? I want some LEDs on the floor. Just a lot of other stuff, man, you know? A lot of stuff I've been thinking about as I've been building the car. And that 350 block that's in there, man, that thing runs so hard. I don't know if I ever told y'all, man. That 350 that's in the Gbody Chevy. When I first bought that car, my uncle drove the Gbody Chevy home for me. And I was in the Trailblazer. That was the Trailblazer had the inline 4.2. So, bro, you know those old school cars got carburetors and stuff, man, especially when they be sitting up and smoke a lot from the pipes. Bro, when we got on this expressway right here I'm on right now, when we got on 166, bro, my uncle hit it. Like, you know, the expressway, it was nothing but smoke came out the back of that car. But when the smoke was gone, when the smoke cleared, man, you did not see the Gbody Chevy no more. And that's a 79. It's not this is a 79 Impala. And that's a 2006 Trailblazer. Ain't no way in the hell that old car supposed to took off with that thing like that, bro. That thing took off. Bro, I didn't see it no more until I got to the exit by my house, by the house. I ain't see that car no more until I got to the exit by the house, bro. And my uncle really slowed down because he said, feel like the tire was about to come off or something, he said. Well, bro, that showed me right there, oh, shoot, why I take the engine out of that? That thing run good. It runs so good and so hard. I'm trying to catch up and keep up. I can't keep up to nothing I can't see. I ain't even see the car no more. Bro, the next day, bro, the Trailblazer needed an engine. Next day, the Trailblazer needed an engine, bro. I was like, man, that part shit running hard as hell. So that's why I ain't just never think about LS swapping it or nothing. If anything, I said I was going like I said, I'm gonna throw EFI system on it and run a camshaft and all that good stuff. But I throw the headers and all that on it, but other than that, it don't make no sense to fix nothing that's not broken. And those cars don't come with 350s in it. So I don't know how the hell it got a 350 in it, but it got it in it though. I ain't asking no questions. Shoot. It's in there though. Shoot. If anything, if I do decide to go LS, I take that 350 I'll put in something else. You know what I'm saying? But bro, that car run good, bro. That car run damn good. So I just left that engine in there. It don't make no sense. And I know a lot of those boxes, them caprice and all, they come with 305s in it. So I was like, dog, this thing got 350 in it? Somebody already changed it. But bro, like all the work undone to that car, like that car needed some work now. It got a good running engine, but I need a floor. The interior was ripped all up. The headline was ripped all up. You look at it now, man, it's crazy, man. It's just the whole price, but it's crazy, bro. I'm trying to go get not rest of these other bills out, man. I told them for the GMC Sierra now. I'm gonna do something crazy now. Going like I did the boss a new school, old school thing. New school paint job, new school interior, like. But the GMC Sierra, man, new school interior, bro. I'm trying to go new school Sierra interior inside the old school Sierra. If I can catch some high country interior, you know what I'm saying? Either or, it don't matter. But I feel like that's the route I want to take with the GMC Sierra. Y'all already know what's going on the Trailblazer. My the cutlass is so clean. It just need to be painted in a bigger engine than that. I'm not riding with that bull. Man, them automobile has some bullshit motors in those cutlass, boy. You know what I'm saying? I ain't even, bro. The engine, the cutlass run, got AC and everything, y'all. The engine's just so bullshit. And I don't even want to drive it. I don't even want to drive it with that bullshit in there, man. Take that out. We gonna throw a big boy in there, man. Not about to drive that car with no V. Man, no, man. What's a V6 in there? No. Everybody here, but it's a clean cruiser. I'm not trying to cruise. I'm trying to haul ass. I'm trying to fishtail corners. I'm trying to burn out, do 360, do donuts, man. I ain't got time to be trying to cruise. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to enjoy that motherfucker. I ain't 60 years old, 50 years old. I'm trying to hey man, I'm trying to put the, hey man, that thing gotta throw me in the seats, man. And that thing ain't snatching, man. We don't want it, man. Hell, put all the money in the car. And then ride how I wanna ride. Man, that thing's supposed to be in twist, man. That thing's supposed to be twerking back there, man. You feel me? I'm supposed to be attached to the pavement. Oh yeah, I did put a posse rear in the box Chevy though. So I ain't even, bro. Like I told y'all, the box Chevy was already running hard. I threw the posse, the new Yukon Grizzly locker in the, man. Come on, man. Everybody already know how much they're taxing for. I'm putting those in all my old school cars. Gotta have both of them tires snatching, man. No, one tire taking, man, big ass boat. One tire turning the whole car. No sir, ball. No sir, ball. Y'all stay tuned in, man. Mad Cars, number keep dropping these bangers and keep y'all posting on what's going on, man.